feel what you're saying. All night, every day, your boy stay praying. Yeah, we stay together, make it last forever. No matter the weather, we in this together. I'm in for the long haul, baby, never short. I hit them all up and baby, have your choice. Tell all your friends, you know I got you. I got your back like your bra strap. Boo started off as friends, then it grew with passion. We in the bedroom getting to the action.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sheila, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel. As you can tell by the title down below, what this video is going to be about, so if you're interested in it, please stay tuned. But don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and join Sheila's gang, honey. And without further ado, let's hop right into this video. Okay guys, so today I'll be doing a fall inspired makeup look, and I'll be using two palettes. I'll be using the box of crayons for like maybe one color, and then mostly I'll be using this Prestige palette that I haven't used in a while. So we're just gonna jump right into this, and yeah. So first I'm just gonna prime my lids as always, but I wanted to talk to y'all. I wanted to do a little chit chat with y'all as well. I just want to talk because I really want to know, like, I just really want to send out some motivation, a little love, and a little support to people, because I know a lot of people get discouraged, and I didn't get discouraged. I always get discouraged, especially about my YouTube channel. I just feel like we just gotta keep pushing, sis. Like, I know we want stuff really bad in life, and at times we go over and beyond to get it, but you know, if it's not for us right then, it ain't gonna come yet. So we just have to be ready when the Lord says, sis, is your time, you know. It's just, I feel like everybody deserves to boss up. Sis, level up this year. Like, you got like what, October, you got October, November, December, like 3 months to change like whatever is not making you happy, whatever is holding you back, whatever is discouraging you, whatever is like leeching off of you, whatever is bringing you down, sis. Like, all that stuff, it's toxic energy. Throw it away. You got 3 months to get rid of this, because honey, we cannot bring this with us into 2020. No fake friends, no people that ain't trying to like better you, marry you, all that stuff. Like, if they not trying to make you better, they're not trying to take you to the next level in life, they're not trying to reach and achieve goals like you, then sis, tell them bye. Tell them bye-bye. Because sis, honey, it's time to grab the bags, it's time to get the coins, it's time to get it together, it's time to elevate ourselves, it's time to focus on our happiness and what makes us happy, and just go after everything that we want, period. I'm gonna go in, y'all, with this brown right here and just use it as my transition color. I really need a better I'm gonna switch things. This is just like a but yeah, we really gotta elevate ourselves. It's time, sis. It's no more time for games. We have no more games in us to play. So if they did not come to win, then we gotta leave them alone. I'm sorry. I know you love them. I know you care about them, sis. I know you want them. Bye-bye. And, like, stay away from fake people. Like, fake people are clout chasers. Fake people want to leech off you. Fake people just want to see what you got going on in your life. And never support you. It's crazy, though. It's crazy how people want you to support them, but when you tell them to come support you, where they at? They ain't there. They ain't supporting you. They ain't trying to see you win, honey. The only thing they care about is themselves. So if you got people like that, family, friends, whoever they may be, like, goodbye, sis. Tell them bye. We can't have them in 2020 at all, period. Like, and I just feel like everything that you're chasing, sis, go get it. That job you want, claim it. That house, that car, that ring, that man, whatever you want, claim it for 2020. And like, Everything else, let it go. Because everybody deserves to be happy, sis. To be like happy, point blank, period. And if you're not happy, you're sitting with the wrong group of people. So after I added that little brown to my lids, now I'm going to go in with this, like, this color right here. I don't know what you would call this. It's a, it's not a maroon color. It's like a rustic wood, or rustic color. But I like it. I think it's cute. That's why I wanted to put it on. And just tap this right here. Oh, it's cute. I like the way it's showing up on my skin. I'm trying to blend it in. Blend that in because that's a cute color on my lids. But y'all, get you somebody that want to see you win, that want to see you happy, that want to see a smile on your face every day, because it's everybody deserves it. Not only girls, but guys too. Like, find you somebody that want these things in life and go hard with them and get it. I'm talking about so hard that you forget, like, that you existed, like, when you did it. I'm serious. I want them type of vibes. All 2020, I want them type of vibes. I don't want no fake. I don't want no fake ish. Keep it away from me. Because people so fake nowadays, they'll tell you they're your friend and don't even be your friend. They don't care about you. Those folks do not care about you. They don't care if you win. They don't care if you lose. They don't care. These people ain't for you. I'm a supportive person though. Like, I try to support people who support me, and then I try to support people that don't even support me, you know, like, because that's just me. My heart is big, and I realized, like, a couple months ago, I want to say, that everybody is not like you. Nobody is. They don't care, sis. I seen that. Like, it took me a while to realize that I had people in my corner that were not for me. I had to realize that these people just wanted to see me down. They wanted to see me frown. They wanted to see me in misery. Like, and misery loves company. Like, people, like, they really want to see you, like, they want to see you, like, fail and stuff. And I can't with that no more, because, no. So I'm just going back over this brown that I added. I'm trying to smoke hair out just a bit in the back. Okay. Same thing for this side. Just kind of darken that brown in. Okay. And it's a little bit higher right here. And I'm just kind of really just going inside of my crease and attacking that brown, because that brown is cute. I like it. Okay. Now I'm going to go back over this, like, rustic color that I put on my eyelids just a little bit, just so it can pop a little bit more, because I feel like it kind of fell off when I added all that brown. And just kind of add it, like, right there in that circle part. But not so much on the eye side. Yes, honey, just what I wanted. But I'm rooting for everybody. Like, I don't wish evil on nobody. I don't care how wrong you done me. I don't care if, like, you can't stand me and you know, wish the worst on me. I don't wish evil on nobody, because evil in your heart can consume you too. Now, y'all, I want to add, like, a gold to my, like, just a little bit of dust to gold, and I want to bring it into that brown, like that rustic color. But the colors on here are not, I'm not feeling these because they're too light. Y'all guys can see. I'm gonna go in with this gold and just use it just to, like, kind of add some shimmer to my makeup. Like a little, like, goes with good stuff. Like, yes. Y'all see what I'm trying to do? Like, I'm trying to just put this in my tear ducts without getting this shit all in my eyes. So, come up a little bit for y'all can see. Whew. It's this gold is cute though. And just basically pack this gold at the beginning of your eyelids. Now I'm gonna jump off camera and do everything else off camera because it takes a little bit longer to do this. I just want to show you guys this makeup look, and this is cute, honey. Let me come in. I'm loving the colors. I think it's a cute fall look. Okay, guys, so this just concludes my tutorial on my fall inspired makeup look, y'all. I really enjoyed doing this look for you guys. I'm completely finished with everything. I have added my eyelashes, my little liner. I didn't do like a wing liner this time. I just did like a liner. Then I added my foundation to my faces, and then I did highlight on my cheekbone areas, both sides, and on my cupid's bow just a bit, and a little bit on my nose. And then I topped that off with using a dark brown lippy for my lips. And I topped that with my favorite gloss ever. And that is the coconut oil right here. Coconut oil lip gloss. It hydrates lips and locks in moisture. Shine without stickiness. And it's by Broadway. I don't know if y'all seen that one before, but if y'all haven't, this is what it did. So this is my favorite lipstick. I also have the rose one too. But the pink in this one bomb. I love it. But anyway, that's just what I did. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial, and if you did, you know, like this video, leave a comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. And join Sheila's gang. And yeah, also I just want to say, like, you can, like, it depends on how you have your hair. I think if I was wearing this style, sorry I'm getting sick 'cause the weather's changing. But if I was wearing this style, I would wear, like, if I was going to wear this out and about, I would wear this to the side because it just looks more presidential to me. It looks more cute and classy, cute and clean and cute, honey, whatever. So you can do a braid or whatever. And I'm going to just show you guys how it looks to do a simple braid. You don't have to do nothing fancy, but cute. And I'm braiding underhanded right now. Okay. And make sure when you go back there, you're grabbing the hair from the back. So this braid is not professionally done whatsoever, but I'm just saying, like, you can really pull this off. If you wanted to do like a little braid, I'm not even gonna braid it all the way down. You can pull this off to the side or whatever and have it being cute. Depends on how you have your hair. I think this would be cute with curls as well. But again, y'all, this is my fall inspired makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. See you guys in my next video. Peace.